Hi, Steve Bergen here, and this is a starter video introduction to explain everything. First thing you want to do is learn the tools and learn about objects. So starting on the left, using this graphic from Explain Everything, you can see a 1 or 2 word identifier for what each tool does. We're going to go down to the third tool, and we're going to grab the pencil and tap on the pen and get the width, and I'm going to write the word happy, and what I'm telling you now is this is an object. It's one object, and if I click the top icon in the upper left, I can now pick up the word and I can move it. If I go about 7 down, you see the eye in the rectangle, and that's called the inspector. If I click on the inspector and then I tap on happy, you have approximately 13 things you can do with this word. For example, if I lock horizontal, that means now I can move it up and down, but I can't move it left or right. If I go back to the inspector and I tap on happy, I can unlock the horizontal. If I use 2 fingers and I drag it in, I can of course make it smaller, and I can rotate it by turning it. Now, let's go again and go back to the A tool. This time I'm going to click on the green color in the bottom. These are just simply 3 paint buckets so that the next time you are painting, you're using that bucket. So I'll pick on green here. I'll go back to the A tool, and I'm going to write the word day by typing D-A-Y, and I've got a word. I will move that word. I will center that word, and I will check it off. I can make the word bigger by using 2 fingers and spreading it apart. I can rotate it. It's a second object. Happy and day are 2 different objects. I'm moving day and I'm moving happy. If I want them to join together, I can put them close to each other so they are touching. And then if I triple click on the intersection, tap, 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 then when I move one, they all move. I'm going to go to the brown color. I'm going to grab the pencil, and I'm going to try to draw a symbol that looks like the mathematical symbol pi. I wanted to say Happy Pi Day. Pi is an object. It was drawn in brown, and so it's movable. Notice how it's moving with the other 2 things. If I triple click, tap, 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 it separates the things so they're no longer all connected. I'll tap, 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 triple click on the pi symbol, and now happy and pi are separated. I'll turn happy a little bit and make it bigger. I'll take pi, I'll make it smaller. I'll take day and make it bigger. And now I will try to get them connected. I don't think I can unless they're touching, so I'm going to have to go up like this and go tap, 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 and now those are connected. I'll move day very close and go tap, tap, tap. Nope. Tap, 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 and now they're connected. Now I'll make it smaller. You've got to explain everything in stages. This video, which is now 5 or 6 minutes, has taught you a few things about the objects, the I for inspector, the 13 features to take a look at, and the fact that objects can be grouped together. This is just the beginning. Explain Everything is a sophisticated rated R or rated X app. It's incredible. People love it. It's got features galore, but you gotta take it slowly if you're gonna get skillful on this. Okay, Steve Bergen signing off. There'll be more.